Guys, finally got these. I'm excited. Factory all-weather floor mats. So let's see how they work. Okay. Nice. Awesome. Let's do the driver's side first. That's what I need. Okay. Take this out. Okay. We have to take these out, the fabric ones. Brand new. I feel bad, but yeah, I really don't want to have them unless I absolutely need them. What I might do is, no, I can't do that. You can't put one on top of the other. Okay. Let's put this on the roof. Okay, so, oh, this is really easy. It's not difficult at all. It's very easy. You just twist this. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. No, it's simple. You just have to push down. And that's it. All-weather floor mat installed. How do you like that? That looks a lot better than that doormat. All right. Sweet, just gotta do that. Let's try the one in the back. That's pretty cool. What I might do for the back is just put it over on top of the other one. Not necessarily throw it away, per se. You know what? I could probably, well, I don't know. Let's see how this works. Because there's no mechanism to fix it down. So I can just put this. I can just put this, let's get this out of the way. Let me just put this down. And that'll be that. Sweet. Oh yeah, feels a lot safer. Nice. Look at that fit right here. Look at that fit. I like that. It hugs it all. It's nice. Let's get this going. Very nice. All right, now let's go around to this other side. And then, last but not least, I think this side, oh, this side also has the clips. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can take this off, give it a good, beating. And then let's see if we can do, oh, probably not. This limits it, huh? Let's just put this one down. Put this on the roof too. Okay. Oh, well, that is yeah, you probably can't fit the regular floor mats under these all-weathers and still clamp them down. So that's gonna be like that, but this is nice. It makes me feel a lot more secure. Gives me peace of mind that, hey, I can take these out, hose them down, no problems, and they look nice and well integrated into the vehicle. So that's good. This is something that I even had on my Corolla, so why not on this? I do need to get the vehicle detailed next week, so I'll try and do it once a month. All right, guys, thank you so much. Let's take a look at this thing now. Just throw that down here. I feel bad throwing them away this soon, but honestly, they're not that good anyway. These, but okay. I can toss this in the back of the bed. Toss these in the back of the bed. Now the weather techs kind of come all the way in here, but I mean, we're all good. They don't make weather techs yet, so we just went with the Toyota, and that's what we're gonna keep. Update on the dent. This was all dented. It pulled out. So all I have left is this, and I bought a kit that glues, and when we're gonna pull that out too, it's gonna be as good as new. The only other thing that I have an issue with is this here. I need to get one clip for this one piece, but that's it with the bumper. I mean, everything else is fine. So that's some sort of bug over there. But yeah, tires looking cool. Still looking awesome. See you guys later. That was fun. Finally have all-weather floor mats, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get in. First maiden voyage. First floor mats. First all-weather floor mat experience. It's good. Bye-bye. Have fun.